Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. Today I'm going to take you guys into Dollar Tree. We're going to do a shop with me for Christmas stuff. Today we're going to look at home decor, anything that you might need for the holidays. I'm going to check all of that out here at Dollar Tree today. These were right at the front door, some really cute scarves. Of course, everything is $1 here at my Dollar Tree. This is super cute though, buffalo plaid. And I love these scarves. Reminds me of in the 70s. And cute Christmas socks. And they were just putting their Christmas decor out, so there'll be more to come. But I did get a few pics here.
Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman.
And these are metal, and they would be great to put little cookies and candy in.
But I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other.
They had some really cute Christmas ornaments, and they were 2 for $1.
No, I don't know,
And the red plaid as well.
but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
And this basket could be filled with some really nice spa day kind of items I'm going to show you in just a minute.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me.
And really great little art projects you can sit and do with the kids during the holidays.
Round and around, I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me.
And these little adult coloring books are super cute, really well done, and this would be a really great little item to put in some type of a basket or bag with some art supplies.
Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling.
These pop-up books were so cute. I love them. These would definitely make a beautiful gift for a young child and even an adult. This was my husband's favorite cartoon and Christmas show, Rudolph. Love this one.
Would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling.
And if you're putting together a self-care basket for that person that needs some pampering, I thought these were super cute. really nice bath bombs. They also had some therapeutic salt soaks, and I love Epsom salt, by the way. And now take a look at these Smarties scented bombs. These are so cute. And lots of face masks and lip masks and eye masks. Say that 3 times.
Together in my favorite season, let's do it for the right reason. Oh, I wish that it would.
You could combine several of these items in a nice basket or gift bag. This would make such a beautiful gift for someone, and these little soaps were so cute.
Tell you this is one thing I know, there will never be another one. Me and you in the midnight sun. It's funny now I see it crystal clear. I'm sure that it must be this time of the year. Sure.
And if you want to bake cookies but not from scratch, they had some Betty Crocker sugar cookie dough. So easy to put this together, roll it out, or just drop it on us by spoonfuls. And this no-bake cookie dough looks really good as well. And then lots of coffee mugs.
Favorite season, let's do it for the right reason.
And on the practical side, we're all needing Kleenex this time of year. And look, they had some really cute pocket Kleenex packs you could put in a stocking. And a table runner, both red and green, so they're 50 cents each. And placemats. And cute little plastic serving bowls for that little platter of cookies or veggies you want to put on the table. And oven bags, both large size and the turkey size. And look at these muffin and cupcake cups, perfect for Christmas. They had some dishes as well. I just love how simple these are. They had the plates and the bowls, and look at the glassware. So pretty. And tons of wrapping paper. That's 20 square feet a roll for $1. And they had lots of Disney and just lots of different Christmas patterns.
Yeah, Christmas time is here again. No more worries and no more fears. Leave it all, baby, this time of the year. There will never be another.
I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today as I shopped for Christmas decor and Christmas gift ideas at Dollar Tree. So let's keep our spirits up this season, and I will be putting more content like this one out. If you guys let me know in the comments what you like best, give me a thumbs up if you do like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?